It's time to unbox, baby. Let's do it. Check this out. So I'm doing this video because I bought a new camera, as you could probably tell in the title. It's the Ursa Mini G2 Pro camera from Blackmagic. Oh, pro tip. Put your finger like this so your knife doesn't go too deep. And that way you don't cut into whatever's actually in the box. Pro tip number 1 from your man, Micah Brown. Anyway, I'm doing this video because content, okay? Let's check out what we got going on here. Looks like we got a little piece of cardboard, pointless. Looks like we got some paper. And here's some more paper. Oh, this is what you came for. This is what you came to my channel for. To see me pulling paper out of a box. Just kidding. Here's the camera. Oh, it's heavy. Okay. Garbage. Oh, see ya. Sorry, the cardboard's still there. All right, here we go. We got software manual, super important. You got your DaVinci Resolve activation card. All right, here we go. Yeah. Ah, it's the new camera smell. Well, looky there. It's the camera. What else we got? Looks like this is the power supply. And apparently it doesn't come with the side handle anymore. That stinks. I didn't know that. There's no cutout for said handle. Whatever. All right, well, the reason I got this was because it was time to upgrade. I have been using the Ursa Mini 4.6K and 4K for a long time, and they came out with the Pro a year later, and I was like, oh, I should upgrade to that. Then it just wasn't quite worth it, and then they announced this sucker, 300 frames per second, and I finally got approval through the system at work that they said, yes, go ahead and buy it. And now, it is mine! It is mine! It is mine! No, it's not mine. It's actually not mine at all. It's owned by Qualtrics, but I get to use it as long as I work at Qualtrics, and I'm still working at Qualtrics, so I will continue to use it at Qualtrics. All right, now you get to watch me put the battery plate on. So we can do this together. You and me. And why am I making this video? Well, I don't know why you're watching this video. I'm making this video because I'm bored. So, okay. Well, there's the tools. All right, what do we got here? We got the Blackmagic Ursa B-mount battery plate. Oh, do you see that? Focus. Oh, God. You suck. Suck at focusing. Attach this sucker. Got the little screws. Got the plate. Boom.
So the first part you gotta do is you gotta stick this little thing in there. Click.
Hey, Nico. Dude, purple talk time with Micah. It doesn't come with a side handle. I thought it came with a side handle.
I thought most of them did not come with a side handle, hence red.
The last one came with the side handle. This is not red, this is Blackmagic.
Okay.
Just for the record. All right, moment of truth. Hey, it worked. Take the plastic off, first thing you gotta do. See, I got picture. Now I just need to put a lens on to see if it actually works. Here we go. Okay, here we go. Now I'm gonna film me, cause I got this for a vlog camera. You see that? That's how we roll.
When does the selfie stick come?
Dude, I got a sick selfie stick coming for this thing. Anyway, cool beans. Thanks for watching whatever video this was. Why, I don't know. Anyway, be sure to subscribe because what's coming up next is gonna blow your mind.